the trouble I've seen. Nobody knows my sorrow.
Oh, Zazu, do lighten up. Sing something with a little bounce in it.
It's a small world after all.
No, anything but that.
I've got a lovely bunch of coconuts. Dee-dee-dee-dee. There they are, standing in a row. Big one, small one, some as big as your head.
No, I would never have had to do this for Mufasa.
What? What did you say?
Nothing.
You know the law. Never, ever mention that name in my presence. I am the king.
Yes, sire, you are the king. I only mentioned it to illustrate the differences in your royal managerial approaches.
Hey, Bob!
What is it this time?
We got a bone to pick with you.
I'll handle this. Scar, there's no food, no water.
Yeah, it's dinner time, and we ain't got no stinking entrees.
It's the lioness's job to do the hunting.
Yeah, but they won't go hunt.
Oh, eat Zazu.
Oh, you wouldn't want me? I'd be so tough and gamey and...
Oh, Zazu, don't be ridiculous. All you need is a little gun.
I thought things were bad under Mufasa.
What did you say?
I said I said, que pasa?
Good. Now get out.
Yeah, but we're still hungry.
Out!
Whoa, nice one, Simba. Thanks. Man, I'm stuffed.
Me too. I ate like a pig.
Pumbaa, you are a pig.
Oh, right. Timon,
Yeah?
ever wonder what those sparkly dots are up there?
Pumbaa, I don't wonder. I know.
Oh, what are they?
They're fireflies. Fireflies that got stuck up in that big bluish-black thing.
Oh, gee. I always thought they were balls of gas burning billions of miles away.
Pumbaa, with you, everything's gas.
Simba, what do you think?
Well, I don't know.
Oh, come on,
well,
Come on, Simba, come on.
We told you ours. Please.
Well,
Give?
somebody once told me that the great kings of the past are up there, watching over us.
Really?
You mean a bunch of royal dead guys are watching us?
Who told you something like that?
Yeah.
What mook made that up?
Yeah. Pretty dumb, huh?
Oh, you're killing me, Simba. Oh.
Was it something I said?
Simba? He's alive. He's alive! It is time.